The power of passive income, your path to financial freedom. Want to break free from the 9-to-5 grind? Passive income is the key. Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with loved ones. It's the dream, right? Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to achieve this, but it can be a challenge. Creating content, finding products, and driving traffic takes time and effort. That's where ZonBuildr AI comes in. ZonBuildr AI is a game changer. It's a powerful software that automates Amazon affiliate marketing. With ZonBuildr AI, you can earn passive income effortlessly. No more endless hours of writing product reviews or struggling with complicated websites. ZonBuildr AI handles it all. This is for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, ZonBuildr AI makes affiliate marketing a breeze. It's user-friendly and packed with powerful features. Get ready to unlock your earning potential. Introducing ZonBuildr AI, your secret weapon for effortless commissions. ZonBuildr AI is incredibly easy to use. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can have your affiliate website up and running in minutes. The software walks you through every step, no tech skills needed. Simply choose a product you want to promote on Amazon. ZonBuildr AI does the rest. It leverages the power of ChapGPT, a cutting-edge language model. This means your content is high quality, engaging, and optimized for conversions. Forget about writer's block or spending hours researching products. ZonBuildr AI takes care of it all. Focus on what matters, watching your earnings grow. Content creation made easy. Watch ZonBuildr AI work its magic. Creating compelling content is crucial for affiliate marketing success, but it doesn't have to be a chore. ZonBuildr AI simplifies the process with its three-step system. First, enter the product information. This could be a product name, URL, or even a keyword. ZonBuildr AI takes it from there. Second, watch as the software generates high-quality content. This includes product reviews, descriptions, comparisons, and more. All content is optimized for search engines and designed to convert. Finally, sit back and relax as ZonBuildr AI inserts your affiliate links and optimizes your website for maximum earnings. It's that easy. Section 4. Features that fuel your success. ZonBuildr AI's arsenal of tools. ZonBuildr AI comes loaded with powerful features that make affiliate marketing a breeze. These features are designed to save you time, increase your efficiency, and maximize your earnings. One of the standout features is automatic content creation. ZonBuildr AI leverages the power of ChapGPT to generate high-quality, engaging content that converts. This saves you countless hours of writing and research. Another great feature is automatic affiliate link insertion. ZonBuildr AI automatically inserts your affiliate links into your content, ensuring you get credit for every sale. No more manually adding links. ZonBuildr AI also provides access to over 4.5 million royalty-free images. Find the perfect visuals to enhance your content and make it even more engaging. Section 5. Testimonials and guarantees. Proof that ZonBuildr AI delivers. Don't just take our word for it. ZonBuildr AI has helped countless individuals achieve success with Amazon affiliate marketing. Here's what some of our satisfied users have to say. ZonBuildr AI has been a game changer for my affiliate marketing business. I'm now earning passive income on autopilot. John S. I was skeptical at first, but ZonBuildr AI has exceeded my expectations. The software is incredibly easy to use and the results have been amazing. Sarah M. We're confident that ZonBuildr AI will help you achieve your affiliate marketing goals. That's why we offer a 15-day money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free and see the results for yourself. Section 6. Start your affiliate marketing journey today. Pricing and next steps. Ready to start earning passive income with ZonBuildr AI? It's easier than you think. We offer flexible pricing plans to fit your budget and needs. Our basic plan starts at just $47 per month. This gives you access to all the core features of ZonBuildr AI. You can create one fully functional Amazon affiliate website and start generating passive income right away. For those who want to scale their business, we offer an unlimited plan. This plan allows you to create unlimited websites and maximize your earning potential. To get started with ZonBuildr AI, you'll need a ChapGPT API account. This is a paid service from OpenAI that allows ZonBuildr AI to generate high-quality content. Don't worry, the cost is minimal. Each request costs just a few pennies. Don't wait any longer to achieve your financial dreams. Join the thousands of satisfied ZonBuildr AI users and start earning passive income today. Click the link below this video to purchase ZonBuildr AI today with a discounted price.